Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will memorize about this weekend. I have memorized first Acai Paris. Kuah Acai. I will buy Acai Paris. They like Acai Paris. Ipok Acai Paris. Do you like Acai Paris? Matcha. I will drink matcha. They like matcha. Ipok matcha. Do you like matcha? Kochi Paris. Kuah kochi. I will buy Kochi Paris. They like Kochi Paris. Ipok Kochi Paris. Do you like Kochi Paris? Tempe. I will buy tempe. They like tempe. Sipok tempe. Do you like tempe? Yogurt. I will buy yogurt. They sell yogurt. Sipok yogurt. Do you like yogurt? Kimchi. I will make kimchi. They like kimchi. Kimchi. Do you like kimchi? Rosemary. I will buy rosemary. They like rosemary. Sipok rosemary. Do you like rosemary? Basil. Kemangi. I will eat basil. They like basil. Sipok or basil. Do you like basil? Cinnamon. Kayu manis. I will buy cinnamon. They like cinnamon. They poke cinnamon. Do you like cinnamon? And soy milk. Susu kedelai. I will buy soy milk. They like soy milk. Sipok soy milk. Do you buy soy milk? Almond milk. Susu almond. I will buy almond milk. They like almond milk. Sipok almond milk. Do you like almond milk? Coconut water. Air kelapa. I will drink coconut water. They drink coconut water. She drank coconut water. Do you like coconut water? Fresh juice. Jus sekar. I will buy fresh juice. They like fresh juice. Sipok fresh juice. Do you like fresh juice? Smoothie. I will buy smoothie ice. They like smoothie ice. Sipok smoothie ice. Do you like smoothie ice? Herbal tea. Teh herbal. I will buy herbal tea. I drink herbal tea. They drink herbal tea. Do you like herbal tea? Green tea. Teh hijau. I will buy green tea. They like green tea. She made green tea. Do you like green tea? Chia seed. Biji chia. I will buy chia seed. They make chia seed. They poke chia seed. Do you like chia seed? Walnut. Kenari. I will buy walnut. They like walnut. She bought walnut. Do you have walnuts? Nut. Kacang-kacangan. I will eat nut. They like nut. She bought nut. Do you like nut? Coconut oil. Minyak kelapa. I will buy coconut oil. They make coconut oil. She bought coconut oil. Do you like coconut oil? Olive oil. Minyak zaitun. I will buy olive oil. They like olive oil. She made olive oil. Do you like olive oil? Whole grain pasta. Pasta gandum utuh. I will get whole grain pasta. They like whole grain pasta. Sipok whole grain pasta. Do you like whole grain pasta? Sweet potato. Ubi jalar. I will buy sweet potato. They like it sweet potato. Sipok sweet potato. Do you like sweet potato? Whole head bread. Roti gandum utuh. I will buy whole head bread. They like whole head bread. She like whole head bread. Do you like whole head bread? Oatmeal. I will buy oatmeal. They like oatmeal. She bought oatmeal. Do you like oatmeal? Brown rice. Beras merah. I will eat brown rice. They made brown rice. She bought brown rice. Do you like brown rice? Chickpeas. Kacang Arab. I will buy chickpeas. They like chickpeas. She bought chickpeas. Do you like chickpeas? Tofu. Tuna. Tahu. I will buy tofu. They like tofu. She bought tofu. Do you like tofu? Tuna. I will buy tuna. They like tuna. She ate tuna. Do you like tuna? Salmon. I will buy salmon. They like salmon. She bought salmon. Do you grill salmon? Chicken breast. Dada ayam. I will buy chicken breast. They like chicken breast. She bought chicken breast. Do you like chicken breast? Cauliflower. Kembang kol. I will buy cauliflower. They like cauliflower. She bought cauliflower. Do you like cauliflower? Lettuce. Salada. I will buy lettuce. They like lettuce. She bought lettuce. Do you like lettuce? Eggplant. Terong. I will eat like eggplant. They like eggplant. She bought eggplant. Do you like eggplant? Cucumber. Mentimun. I will eat cucumber. They like cucumber. She bought cucumber. Do you like cucumber? Cabbage. Kupis. I will buy cabbage. They like cabbage. She eats cabbage. Do you eat cabbage? Spinach. Bayam. I will buy spinach. They eat spinach. She bought spinach. Do you eat spinach? Broccoli. They will eat broccoli. They buy broccoli. She bought broccoli. Do you like broccoli? Blueberry. I will buy blueberry. She like blueberry. She bought blueberry. Do you like blueberry? Grape, anggur. I will buy grape. They like grape. And kale. I will buy kale. They like kale. She like kale. Do you like kale? Then fish, ikan. I will buy fish. They like fish. Then shrimp, utang. I will buy shrimp. They eat shrimp. Then lentils, kacang lentil. I will buy lentils. They like lentils. She bought lentils. Do you like lentils? Egg, telur. I will buy eggs. They like eggs. She had egg. Do you have egg? Corn, jagung. I will buy corn. They like corn. She bought corn. Do you like corn? Barley, jelai. I will buy barley. They like barley. Water, air putih. I will drink water. They drink water. That's all my members this weekend. Do you want to be world class student? Let's come to Nizamia. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.